Want to make your baby shower unforgettable? A backdrop sets the stage for photos, gifts, and sweet memories. From balloons to florals, the right design adds personality and charm to the celebration. Whether whimsical, elegant, or playful, backdrops create the perfect atmosphere. Let's explore ideas to help you design a backdrop that everyone will adore. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What about personalized backdrops? Custom banners with baby's name or "Oh Baby" signs are popular. Printed designs or neon signs add unique flair and make the photos extra memorable. Personalized with love? Like this if your backdrop feels one of a kind. What about a themed character backdrop? Choose storybook or cartoon characters like Winnie the Pooh or baby animals. Printed backdrops add whimsy while tying the shower into a playful theme. Themed with charm? Like this if your backdrop tells a story. How do I start choosing a baby shower backdrop? Begin by selecting a theme or color palette. Match the backdrop to invitations, table decor, or baby's gender reveal for a cohesive and stylish look. Ready to set the scene? Like this if your theme is coming together. How do I keep it balanced and photo ready? Avoid overcrowding. Focus on a few strong elements. Ensure height, symmetry, and clear space so guests can pose easily in front of the backdrop. Balanced and beautiful? Like this if your backdrop feels picture perfect. Can paper decor work as a backdrop? Yes. Use paper fans, pom-poms, or butterflies in soft colors. They're budget-friendly, lightweight, and easy to arrange for a cheerful and playful vibe. Paper perfection? Like this if your setup is simple yet stunning. Can I use floral backdrops? Absolutely. Choose roses, daisies, or greenery walls. They bring elegance and softness, perfect for capturing heartfelt moments with family and friends. Florals in bloom? Like this if your backdrop feels naturally sweet. Can I incorporate wooden elements? Definitely. Use rustic wooden panels, baby name cutouts, or crates. Combine with greenery or lights for a warm farmhouse-inspired backdrop. Wood with warmth? Like this if rustic charm fits your celebration. Can I include props in the backdrop? Add strollers, stuffed animals, or themed props like stars and moons. These make the setup more interactive and visually fun for guests. Props with purpose? Like this if your backdrop tells a full story. Are greenery walls a good choice? Yes, they provide a lush, neutral base. Add pastel balloons, signage, or flowers. They pair beautifully with any baby shower theme, modern or classic. Green and gorgeous? Like this if your backdrop feels fresh and full. Are fabric drapes stylish for backdrops? Yes, use chiffon, tulle, or sequin fabric. Add string lights, flowers, or bows to enhance the drape and create a dreamy, flowing background. Fabric flair? Like this if your backdrop feels soft and elegant. Are balloon walls a good option? Yes, balloon walls are fun and versatile. Use pastel shades, metallics, or ombre designs. Add baby blocks, teddy bears, or flowers for a festive touch. Balloon magic? Like this if your celebration pops with color. Baby shower backdrops set the stage for lasting memories. Whether balloons, flowers, or personalized signs, each option brings joy and style to the celebration. Keep it balanced, thoughtful, and true to your theme, and you'll have a setup that guests love. Inspired to create magic? Like and return for more event decorating ideas.